Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today I'm going to prepare a Mexican street corn known as Esquites. And you can get this at little Mexican restaurants here in Southern California. It's a little snack dish. It's basically the corn on the cob elote in a cup. So remember, if you're liking these videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tag that little notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we make a new video. Let's get started. Okay, I've got a large saucepan, and I'm going to start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, our butter is melted. I'm going to take 4 cups of corn. This is a yellow and white blend. I couldn't find regular traditional white corn at the moment, so this will work. Now I just want to heat up your corn, folding it into the butter. So if you wanted to use fresh corn, you could boil it in some chicken broth with some onion and garlic for another flavor profile. A lot of different ways you can make this. My daughter's been making it almost every other day. It's so good. So I'm kind of using her recipe. All right, the corn is heating up. We're gonna put in a tablespoon of ground New Mexico chili powder, a little salt to your taste. I'll be doing about a ½ teaspoon. Hit some fresh cracked pepper. And then I've got a ½ lime. I'm going to squeeze the juice in. Give this a stir, cut the heat. And then finally, doing a ½ cup of mayo. I'm going to fold that into the mix. All right, cool. So at this point, you can serve them in individual cups if you like, or into a serving dish. And I'm going to put mine in a serving dish, and we're going to garnish it up. All right, let's get this corn in there. Oh, it smells so good. And then we're going to top it with ½ cup of Cotija cheese, which I've shredded up. Get a little messy here. Then followed by about ½ cup of crushed hot Cheetos. That's what makes this dish, according to my daughter. And they do these in Mexican restaurants too, with the hot Cheetos. It's kind of a thing here in Southern California. And then some cilantro for some other color, flavor. All right, I'm gonna dish up. You can do 4 1-cup servings or 8 ½ cup, however you wanna do it. I'm gonna go about 1 cup per serving. Well, I hope you give this street snack recipe a try. You saw how easy it was. I'm going to put a little more lime on here. Don't forget, if you're liking these videos, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we make a video. Here we go. That is really good. I'm hooked on this. All right, guys. As always, thanks for tuning in.